Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today we're going to check out a brand new range hood. So let's get cracking. Alright, so real quickly, it is from HisoHu. It has high airflow, powerful motor, and low noise operation. Let's see what's in the box. Love these corner protectors for shipping something. This box showed up in better shape than a ton of things I've received lately. Alright, so it is packed in foam for safety. This is our mounting hardware with a remote control. And of course, the installation guide and user manual. And after a little wiggling, we have got a range hood. Let's put it up on the counter and see what it looks like. Alright friends, so after pulling it out of there, it has got a filter, charcoal filled. That is pretty awesome. As you can see, here is the fan, and it comes with a cord end, so you can just plug it in and use it. It is suitable for use in a household cook area. Do not install closer than 25 inches above the cooking surface, and it's for residential indoor use only. And as we flip it over, you can see here are all of the controls. It mentions that the vent adapter inside. Let's open that up by sliding and pulling it out. And then here we can pull off this tape. And this was just a piece of cardboard. And here is the venting adapter that we can connect. And a seal. Let's connect those back up, and then because this plugs into a wall, we get to test it without even putting it in the house. Alright friends, so I have got it plugged in. Let's test the lights. There they are. If you tap it again, they shut right off. There's the fan power button. There we get to pick our levels. Let's try 2 taps. Lets you know exactly which power level you're at. And then finally shuts off. And check it out, it has got a swipe sensor so it can tell when you come by. This one is minus, this one is plus. I'm going to shut off those lights so they don't wreck the filming. But that's pretty darn awesome. Alright friends, so a cool feature of this is that if you swipe your hands across the sensors, it increases or it decreases. So there you can see I'm not even touching and I'm decreasing, or if I go this way, I'm increasing. How slick is that? So let's quickly check the remote. Battery was installed, but there's a little protective so it doesn't waste battery in place. Let's get that battery snapped back in there. And let's test the remote control. First, if I hit power, it shuts off. There's power on. Turn on the fan. Turn on the light. And you can adjust the fan level down and off as well. And then of course if you hit minus, it goes down to the level you want. How slick is that? Easy on, easy off. What a nifty idea. Last thing I'm going to do is peel off the protective cover. Alright, so as I look through the manual, this is if you want to set it up to be ductless. So you would not be connecting it to a duct at all. We would have to open this up and add that so we could put it in place. Really quickly, with the manual, it does have a ton of information, safety notes, what to do in case of a grease fire, all the measurements are included for getting it installed, and it explains all the clearance and stuff you need for a good venting system. They do want to remind you, make sure you get all the protective film off it. And then they also highlight, make sure that it is properly grounded. Alrighty friends, so there you have it, the HisoHu range vent. Friends, it has a ton of useful features, comes with great steps for assembly, and of course if you are interested in one, I'll make sure I have a link down below. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.